Hi, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Laura. Hi, hello, welcome. I'm really excited because this is my first video in what I want to become like a series on this channel. It's not gonna like get posted all the time or every Saturday or anything like that, but I want to do more like single Saturday kind of videos where I'm sprinkling in some single shadow content. 5 looks, 1 single, and it's really based on like the 1 week, 1 palette kind of thing, but I just wanted to do it based on a single in my collection, and what a better way to get use out of those new Clionadh shadows that I brought into my collection a couple months ago than in this capacity and show them off in all their beauty. And so I'm wearing, this is the last look in the 5 looks video that you'll see today, but I am centering all of these looks around this shade from Clionadh Cosmetics. This is the shade Gilding. It is their glitter multi-chrome. It is so flippin' pretty. It's kind of like a silver orange. It's just so gorgeous. It looks so different on so many different looks. I paired it in a couple colorful looks and a couple neutral looks just so you could kind of get an idea in how differently the shade can look in different applications. So this was just, you know, I had to feature like a true green. I have a mint one. I have a warm toned look and then a couple neutrals, but I won't dilly-dally. Just stay tuned for look number 1 very shortly. And that is it for my 5 looks, 1 single, using my Clionadh Cosmetics single in the shade Gilding. Again, it's just such a stunning multi-chrome shade. It's their glitter multi-chrome formula, so sparkly, so dimensional, incredible. I absolutely love the glitter form. I love any of the glitter formulas, I think. I just really love something extra sparkly and just something that's gonna stand out really well on the eyes. But I'm really looking forward to filming my next BYOP where I put some more Clionadh shades in to feature in one of these 5 looks, 1 single shadow videos again, and I'm so excited to do that in the next couple weeks. But that is it for this video. I gotta go rest my poor little voice. I'm coming down with something. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys are staying healthy, sane, and safe, and I will see you tomorrow in my year-long Project Pan update. Bye!